Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to screen record on Samsung. To do screen recording on Samsung, you must have a good quality recorder. Now tap to open the Play Store on your phone, then from the Play Store tap on the search bar and search for X screen recorder here. Tap to open its app and click to install the app. If you already installed the app, tap to open it. Then tap to start your screen recording from here. Once you started recording, click to open up the recorded app you installed. Now from here, tap on settings from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down in settings and click on the show touch option from here. You can see different options here as well. You will also find so many other options like trash, various options in recordings, and many more options. Then from the bottom bar, tap on the edit options. You can edit the recorded video in here. And from the video icon, you can see the recorded videos here. Now to stop the recording, click on the stop button. Then you can see your recorded video in your gallery. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.